Indian architecture, most of the concepts that we've adopted have always been with a sustainable angle. For example, if you look at the Jali work that is there in all Mughal architecture, it's not just there as an ornamental or a decorative device, but actually plays a very important role in creating something called as a venturi effect, which cools the air before the air can come into the building. I guess what has happened is that today, with recent modernization and a lot of trends coming in from the West, we've kind of moved from our traditional architecture designs and concepts to adopt modern systems and materials. Now, what we have to do is to take the good modern materials and equipment systems that are available and bring them back with reference to Indian context, our context of climatic conditions, our context of utilization of space, our way of life, and marry both of this in a way that we continue to be sustainable. It's kind of taking the old designs and concepts and providing a new makeover. I think the key to the green movement growing and growing big time is fundamentally in green education. Today, there is a very small fraction of the country and the industry that is adopting green principles and green designs. This needs to grow tremendously. To do that, we need to bring this into our DNA. It shouldn't be an add-on that we are doing it because we are getting something out of it or because it's giving us an advantage. It should actually be something that becomes part and parcel of everybody's DNA and lifestyle. The way this can happen is through a very strong green education movement. Right from the schools to the colleges, we have to bring in these various concepts of energy conservation, water conservation, waste reduction, utilization of resources in the right manner, better designs. In every realm of education, it needs to appear. It needs to become a part of the curriculum and part of every student and every individual, that subconsciously within their mind, green and sustainability is always there, no matter what they grow up to be and what they grow up to manage. In heart and heart, everything that they want to do should have an aspect of sustainability to it.